Lezi ndaba zehora lesikhombisa sigwethulela zinabukhoma ekomkhulu le-SABC e-Auckland Park eGoli nazi ezinohlonze kusihlwa nje.
The President maintains that he has no personal relationship with Maumela. He is not related to him, except he was once married to his aunt.
Umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa usaphinde wayiqhelelanisa noHangwani Maumela nosolwa ngokubandakanyeka einsolweni zenkohlakalo ebalelwe igidini zamarandi esibhedlela saseThembisa.
Look at the road itself, where it curved. I'm not a specialist. I'm waiting for the report from those who are specialized.
Kuphenywa ngembangela yengozi yebhasi edlule nabantu abangama42 okubalwa kubo nosana olunenyanga eziyishumi emgwaqeni N1 eLimpopo.
The honorable member is a complainant in a member that led to a search and seizure at my house, and at the same time I have to come and account before the same parliamentary member as well. As far as I'm concerned, there's a conflict of interest.
Iphini lomkhuzi wamaphoyisa kuzolonke uLieutenant General Shadrack Spear ugcine litholile ithuba lokuyiphendulela njengoba evela ngaphambi kwekomiti lasePhalamende eliphenye insolo zokugxambukela kosombusazwe namaqembu egelekeqe emsebenzini wamaphoyisa. Mbukeli sikubingelela sikamkele indaba yenza kusihlwa igama lami noxolo mamtshali wakwamwali ihlaba ngaleli mhlophe qwa. Sibonga kakhulu ukuthi uhlanganyele kanye nathi namhlanje kusihlwa. Ake sibone ukuthi namhlanje ngikuphathele ziphi. Umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa usephinde wayiqhelelanisa noHangwani Maumela nosolwa ngokubandakanyeka einsolweni zenkohlakalo ebalelwa egidini zamarandi esibhedlela saseThembisa. Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa usamile ekuthini kanabo ubudlelwane noHangwani Maumela egcizelela ukuthi into eyabahlanganisa umshado wakhe uRamaphosa waphambilini. Ukusabalala kwevideo yango-2023 ezinkundleni zokuxhumana kushaqe abaningi njengoba iveza uRamaphosa ebonakala eminabanye ngaphandle komuzi kaMaumela eSenton eGoli. I-SIU ishaqe izimoto zikanokusho kuwo lo muzi ngesonto eledlule.
The President maintains that he has no personal relationship with Maumela. He is not related to him, except he was once married to his aunt. Many years ago. And so we do note the ongoing desperate attempt from some quarters of the media and others on social media to continue perpetuating this falsehood and seeking to link the president to this gentleman.
Umakwenya wathi ihhovisi likaMengameli likulungela ukwenza izethulo phambi kwekhomishana kaMadlanga kanye nekomiti lesikhashana ePhalamende eliphenya izinsolo zokugxambukela kwezombusazwe namaqembu esigilamkhuba emsebenzini wamaphoyisa.
We are also aware that at some point as the presidency we will need to make our own submission to both forums. I cannot preempt whether the ad hoc committee will call the president as such. So far, the evidence that has been given has not been against the president.
Kusenjalo Ramaphosa uzohambela amazwe amathathu kuyi-Indonesia, iVietnam kanye neMalaysia kusukela zingu-22 kuze kube u-28 kwephezulu. Iphini likakhomishana wamaphoyisa kuzolonke uLieutenant Shadrack Spear osamisiwe esikhundleni wethule ubufakazi bakhe ekomidini lesikhashana lasePhalamende ngaphansi kombandela wesikhalo. uSpear ukhala ngokuthi ukuhlala ekomidini kwelungu lePhalamende limvulele icala emaphoyiseni akunabo ubulungiswa kuye. uSpear uzwakalise ukungagcoliseki ngokuba khona ekomidini kaDavid Skhosana weMK Party okunguye ovulele icala uLieutenant General Spear.
uSibiya uthi uthatha inxaxheba eqhankqalaza ngokuba unoloyiko lokuba ilungu leMK Party uDavid Skhosana uza kuthatha icala.
There was a discussion that was actually being discussed in relation to the concern that we raised in relation to one of the honorable members in relation to his participation in these proceedings considering the fact that the honorable member is a complainant in a member that led to a search and seizure at my house. And at the same time, I have to come and account before the same parliamentary member as well. As far as I'm concerned, there's a conflict of interest.
Izimvo zamalungu ale komiti ziyabethabethana.
We've delayed the issue unnecessarily from day one when we raised the issue of conflict. And we delayed it. The House decided that after the first witness, we will relook at the matter of conflict.
Skosana is not a witness before this committee. He went to the police on behalf of the MK party, not on behalf of his family.
We are allowed to proceed now with Honorable Skosana in attendance, while we allow them to go and look at the matter and advise us whether there are any legal grounds for him to be recused.
Emva kokuba ethethe namagqwetha akhe, uSibiya uye wavuma ukunika ubungqina kodwa eqhankqalaza.
I must note or indicate rather that I do so under protest, Chair, in case at the ultimate end, because I will be participating in a process that I believe could be tainted.
Kwiindaba ze-SABC, Dingubulelani Philip eParlamente.
Abahola ubufakazi esigcawini sikaMadlanga bethule esabo isicelo sokuthi ubufakazi obuzokwethulwa phakathi komhlazi yi-13 kuya kumhlazi ngama-22 kwephezulu kufanele bulalelwe esithe. Bathi lokhu kungenxa yokuba bucayi kwezitatimende zofakazi ezokwethulwa phambi kulesi sigcawu. Ekseni namhlanje amaziko eindaba iNews 24 neDaily Maverick bafaka isicelo esiphikisa ukuthi ubufakazi bethulwe esithe. Abahola ubufakazi kulesi sigcawu babeke sebebalula izathu ezine zokuthi ubufakazi bulalelwe esithe bangabi khona abeindaba kanye nomphakathi. Lokhu ke kufaka phakathi ukuphepha kofakazi, ukuvikelwa kophenyo oluqhubekayo, ukuvikelwa kweindlela zokuphenya kanye nokuvikela labo abadalula ulwazi kanye nemithombo yolwazi oluyimfihlo. Kusenjalo inhloko yezobunhloli embutho namaphoyisa uLieutenant General Dumsani Khumalo kulindeleke ukuthi aqhubeke nokwethula ubufakazi bakhe emasontweni ambalwa ezayo ngemva kokuxinwa ukugula.
Of course, that incident on the 1st of October and when Lieutenant General Khumalo fell ill is still under investigation. We can't talk to the nature of his illness at this point. But there are investigations underway. And I think suffice to say that he can be expected, depending on his health, to return to the Commission in a few weeks.
Iziphathimandla zomgwaqo ziphenya ngembangela yengozi yebhasi edlule nabantu abangama-42 okubalwa kubo nosana olunenyanga eziyishumi emgwaqeni N1 eLimpopo.
Undunankulu wakulesi sifundazwe uDokotela Phophi Ramathuba uhambele indawo yesigameko nokuyilapho efike wathola ithimba eliphenya ngalengozi. uRamathuba uthi uphenyo lokuqala kulindeleke ukuba luphothulwe emahoreni angama-48.
They've already started with the work of investigating, and they've reassured us that within the next 48 hours they will be giving us preliminary report. However, by looking at and receiving the reports that we have, we cannot shy away from the fact that there are some areas which we think could have resulted into this road accident.
Leli bhasi kubikwa ukuthi empeleni lithwala abantu abangama-69 kodwa ngokombiko kuthiwa belithwele abantu abevile esibalweni njengoba bebengama-91.
We do have our way bridge stations since from that side up until where we are. We do have traffic officers who were on duty. So for each station, the Minister of Transport is coming here. We will have to together understand who was on duty.
Abanye abasinde kule ngozi bachaza kabanzi ngokwenzekile.
I don't know. I don't want to lie. I don't know what is still happening. What happened there, I don't know. Because I just still remember the time they just taking me out from the bus and just taking me to the ambulance.
Kulindeleke ukuba luqala uhlelo lokuhlonzwa kwezidumbu maduze.
Bukelisa siqu eyitolo kanti uma ngabe sibuya sokuphathela uWT. Bekuyinhloko yodwa kwako-Israel nasePalestina ngesikhathi kukhululwa abantu abebethunjiwe ngemva kwesivumelwano soxolo phakathi kwalamazwe omabili bese kupheleka iminyaka emibili ibambene ngezihluthu eMiddle East. Sikubingelele mbukeli siphinde sikwamukele mangabe usanda kungena udabeni oluphambili besibike ukuthi uMengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa usephinde wayiqhelelanisa noHangwani Maumela nosolo ngokubandakanyeka einsolweni zenkohlakalo ebalelwe igidini zamarandi esibhedlela saseThembisa. Asikhumbuzeke mbukeli ukuthi lezi indaba ziyatholakala ku-YouTube na ku-SABC Plus ungena kuze uyicenga amagama athi SABC izindaba. Kube injabulo yodwa kwa-Israel nasePalestina ngesikhathi kukhululwa abantu abebethunjwe ngemva kwesivumelwano soxolo phakathi kwalamazwe omabili bese kuphela iminyaka emibili ibambene ngezihluthu eMiddle East.
Kuheleza umoya wokuthula okokuqala ngqa eminyakeni emibili eMiddle East selokhu kwaqubuka impi phakathi kwelasePalestina nelakwa-Israel. Namhlanje kube ingqophamlando ngesikhathi lamazwe omabili ededela abantu bebethunjiwe. Kulesivumelwano sokuthula iHamas idedele abantu bakwa-Israel abangama-20 nokuyisinyathelo esituswe kakhulu.
After 2 harrowing years in darkness and captivity, 20 courageous hostages are returning to the glorious embrace of their families, and it is glorious. 28 more precious loved ones are coming home at last to rest in this sacred soil for all of time.
Mr. President, you are committed to this peace. I am committed to this peace. And together, Mr. President, we will achieve this peace. We've done it before. We've done it before in the Abraham Accords, and we'll do it again.
Kusenjalo ilakwa-Israel likhulule amaPalestina ngama-250 abedonsa izigwebo emajele akwa-Israel kanye nabanye abayi-7,000 ababoshwa ngesikhathi sempi eGaza. Uma lesivumelwano siba impumelelo sizoba isiqalo sempilo enokuthula kubantu baseMiddle East osekuphele iminyaka belala obenyoni. Kusenjalo umengameli waseMelika uDonald Trump usethelekile eGibhithe enqutheleni okuzobhongwa kuyo izixazululo zokuthula eMiddle East.
Bukhombise ukushayisana ubufakazi obethulwe esigcawini esihleze enkantolo yaseMgungundlovu nokuyisigcawu esiphenya ngokukhothama kwalowo wayengumengameli we-ANC inkosi uAlbert Luthuli obehola ubufakazi nguadvocate uAnna Chwene.
Lesi sigcawu sivulwe ngokuthi abahola ubufakazi beveza umfana okusola ukuthi wasibone isigameko esaholele ekudluleni emhlabeni kwalona wayengumholi we-ANC ngo-1967. Lo mfana kuthiwa ungumbhemu umnyandi igama lakhe. Ngo-1967 kwathola ukuthi uLuthuli washona ngenxa yokushayiswa iguzu.
2025 at 9:42 in the morning, Mdletshe took me to the house number 861 Tuzuma and introduced me to Cecilia Nxele. On arrival at the house, she was still in bed. She had been ill for some time. She is 84 years old. She informed me that in 1967 she was most of the day in the shop in Umlazi, with her father.
Advocate uAnna Chwene uphikise ngokuthi ubufakazi bukhomba ukuthi kungenzeka khona okufihlwayo ngokushona kwenkosi uLuthuli.
Submit As was shown in these reopened inquest proceedings, Chief Luthuli was under constant surveillance. It is therefore submitted that the station foreman was informed by state agents who were constantly watching Chief Luthuli.
I-ANC ithi igculisekile ngendlela umbuso othule ngayo ubufakazi bawo kulesi sigcawu.
Well, eventually we are very happy as the ANC that eventually the state now is winding up as a prosecution in terms of heads of argument.
Lesi sigcawu sizoqhubeka kusasa nomsebenzi waso.
Owayisikhulu esiphezulu senkampani iPrasa uLucky Montana oseyilungu leMK Party eParliamente uyachitha ukuthi ukoleta umqoqi wentela iSARS imali eyigidi engama-55 zamarandi. iSARS isanda kubamba isithangamisa beindaba lapho idalule khona ukuthi uMontana uyikoleta igidi zamarandi. uMontana ke uhlela ukumangalela iSARS afuna ukuthi imhlawule ngesenzo sayo.
I'm here addressing the nation not because I have a case to answer. I'm not on trial. SARS knows that it is the rotten and criminal system they run which is on trial today, not me. I'm at peace with myself and I know that I do not owe SARS a cent. And I want to repeat that. I do not owe SARS a cent. Some may ask why risk everything by taking on the mighty SARS. There is no doubt that SARS is a powerful institution and a formidable opponent to take on. If you look at the network of attorneys that represent SARS in court, just so powerful. As they say, it is not easy to take on a whale in the ocean. However, I'm not afraid to take on the challenge. I think the universe wants me to do this.
Ubuholi benhlangano yengamele amatekisi iSantaco esifundazweni iWestern Cape busungule uhlelo oluzobhekana nezingxabano nodlame embonini yamatekisi olubizwa ngeTaxi Peace Ambassador erenki yamatekisi eBellville. Lolu hlelo kuhloswe ngalukubhekana nesihlava sodlame kulemboni nokudalwa ukubangwa kwemizila ikhundla kanye nokunye. Lolu dlame libonakala luba namachaphazelo nakumalungu omphakathi ke okholela ekutheni kudutshulwe kubulawa abantu ababalelwa kwabayisishiyagalombili.
Kweli phondo lentshona Kapa kwiminyaka emininzi unobangela otshotshentla lo ngquzulwane ngemizila emayisetyenziswe imibutho yahlukileyo. Indibano yoxolo ethe yasingathwa kweyethupha ukuzama ukuxoza isombululo kulentsinda abadala.
Ngumuntu okwaziyo ozaziyo okoqala ingxaki zonoteksi onalo futhi ulwazi noba uluphelelanga lokuba zeziphi ezinye zezinto eziye zikhokelele ekubeni kubekho udlame apha eshishinini.
I-Taxi Peace Ambassador program bathe baziswa elubala kwisikhululo seteksi saseBellville.
Injongo ke yokubana simisele esi structure kukulwa ubundlobongela obuqhubekayo phakathi kwe-taxi industry, ubundlobongela obo ekudala buqhuba. Unjalo nje sinethemba lokuthi siza kunqoba kweli ityeli.
iSantaco kwiphondo lentshona Kapa ithe liphulo lithe layilwa njengenxenye yemigudu ukuzama ukuphelisa ubundlobongela kuwo lo mzimveliso.
These initiatives of Santaco, although it may seem small or just the beginning, but for creating a peaceful environment, we need to start somewhere and hold some people accountable.
Kusenjalo imizila iliqela ezithuthi savaliwe isithuba sentsuku ezima-30 ngumlamli Maneli wendaba ze-SABC eKapa.
Mbukeli umhlahlo wesimo sezulu uzolandela emva kwekhefu nesangoma sezulu umkhushula Msimanga.
Kontokozo mbukeli ukuthi siphinde sihlangane njengoba sisho sithi yaqhubeka lamathuba amancane emvula ezingathanda ukuthi ke zibe lapha nalapha kwezinye indawo ezingaphelezela ukuduma ikakhulukazi engxenyeni ke ezimaphakathi naKwaZulu Natal uyongena ke engxenyeni ephakeme zalapha eMpumalanga. Sisho sithi sika ngamafubonge nenkabeni akhona lamathuba amongena phansi lapha eEastern Cape uyongena lapha engxenyeni ezilapha eWestern Cape ngase eMpumalanga kanti kangathanda ukuba makhulu amathuba amongena lapha koPlakenburg Bay uyongena koJeffreys Bay kanjalo nakoGqeberha. Sisho sithi ke noma sihlabela phambili siyobheka kakhulukazi ke osukwini lakusasa ngivumele ngisho ngithi ke lokunenkunje kakhulukazi lapha KwaZulu-Natal ekhathini ke zasekuseni ethanda ukuba isiphazamiso nemvula nje singasilindela kulezo ndawo uyongena phansi lapha Eastern Cape asisho sithi mancane amathuba liyangubalela mawungena kakhulukazi ke engxenyeni ke esenkabeni yezwe kanjalo naseningizimu asekhona lamathuba uyongena ke engxenyeni esilapha ngasentshonalanga sihlabele phambili siyobheka ke isixwayiso sakusasa sisho sithi ke iSouth African Weather Service iyasikhipha isixwayiso sesimo sezulu singathanda ukuthi ke sibhebhekisa umlilo kakhulukazi ke engxenyeni esenkabeni lapha koBloemfontein kanjalo nalapha koMessina sihlabele phambili siyobheka osukwini lakusasa ngivumele ngisho ngithi ebusuku bana namhlanje kuyabanda nje lapha kuKalvina koSutherland nokho akufani kodwa mawungena ke ikakhulukazi engxenyeni ke esenkabeni kanti ke ngathanda nje ukuthi kufudumala mawungena ke endaweni ezingasokhwini lapha KwaZulu-Natal ikakhulukazi eThekwini uyongena lapha koRichards Bay sihlabele phambili siyobheka amazinga ke aphezulu ngophapho enhlavelanga ngivumele ngikusho ngongahlonisi ukuthi ke KwaZulu-Natal lobe likhipha umkhovetsheni komhlaba uyalingana koManguzi uyongena koMnambiti exopho komzimkhulu uyongena ikakhulukazi ke engxenyeni esenkabeni nakhona kuyashisa nokho eGauteng kushisa nje ngokuphakathi kushisa futhi ke mawungena lapha kuKomani endaweni ezingasokhwini lapha ekwagqibeka lingathanda nje ukuphola kulezo ndawo liphole futhi noma uyongena eGeorge kuthi ukufudumala mawungena kakhulukazi ke engxenyeni ezilapha koApintini mbukani ngivumele ngithi ke ngiyayithatha indaba enobusuku obuhle.
Mbukele isibeka lapha ke bese kuphathele zona ube nobusuku obuhle usale kahle.